Gadget House, Smart Gadgets Review. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Today we are review top 5 best soldering station. So let's get started our video. Number 5. Weller WE1010NA Digital Soldering Station. This unit is 40% more powerful than the two models it is replacing to help get your soldering job done faster. Easy to handle high-performance 70W soldering iron with a heat-resistant silicon cable for safe handling. Temperature stability, plus 4F, 2C and temperature lock protects tips and components, affording a consistently high-quality process with repeatable soldering results. Number 4. IHWA 862BD Plus Professional Soldering and Rework Station Bundle with number 2300 hot air nozzles with iron holder, soldering cleaning kit, and accessories. The 862BD Plus Professional Soldering and Rework Station, essential accessories included with the 2300 hot air nozzles. The 862BD Plus 2-in-1 Professional Soldering and Rework Station, hot air temperature from 212-896 degrees Fahrenheit, soldering station temperature from 392-896 degrees Fahrenheit. Both the soldering and hot air station have temperature stabilization function to keep your iron at the set temperature steadily for your work. Number 3. Duratrax Track Power TK955 Digital Soldering Station DTXR0955 Hand Tools MISC. Digital LED display shows selected temperature, heating status and operational alerts. Simple push-button controls adjust heat in 1 degree increments and hold temperature within 1.8 degrees Fahrenheit when idle. Security key locks in selected temperature, preventing accidental changes. Ceramic heating element for durability and slender, insulated handle for comfortable grip. Number 2. Hakko Soldering Station, FX95166. Superior heat transfer and thermal recovery. Auto shut-off after 30 minutes of non-use. Low temperature alarm. Lockout key card to prevent unauthorized or accidental temp settings. No calibration required. Composite tips, heating element and sensor are integrated with ceramic. Number 1.
IHWA 8786 DI Soldering and Rework Station Bundle with 17.32x12.20 Mon 180 electronic repair mat with iron holder, soldering cleaning kit, and accessories. The bundle includes the 8786 DI Micro Soldering and Rework Station, essential accessories included with the 17.32x12.20 Mon 180 professional soldering work mat.
17.32 inches by 12.20 inches M180 work mat. The heat-resistant work mat can help prevent the accidental burning of your work desk. It also comes with component slots and rulers to help you organize your work desk.